Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to teach you how you can easily make ebooks and sell them online using this AI tool. You don't have to write yourself. All what you need to do is to use this AI tool and give it any link so that it can turn it into an ebook, whether you have articles, text, PDFs, anything. And it has so many features. So let's get started. This AI tool is called eBookany, which means you can create any ebook. And this is the main website. Now, once you click Convert ebook now, you will be redirected to their sign up page where you can create an account. And I already have an account, so I will just sign in using my own account. Now, once you sign in, you will see this list. You can see the ebook information, the title, the author, the ebook cover, if you have a cover, and you can choose whether to include all images, generate a PDF file, and remove the source of the article. So let's say that I have a website. There are two options, RSS and preview. Here you can click to see an example and it will give you 3 links. Now each link for the articles that you want to convert into an ebook must be placed in a separated line. So I have a website and I want to take few articles from so that I can turn them into an ebook. So let's open up our website and copy some of the links. So here we have few articles. So let's copy this article, place it here, new line, and copy, let's say this article and place it here. So now you can call it whatever you want. Let's call it Arduino, which is the article's topic, projects, and I'm the author name, so Ashraf Said. You can add an ebook cover if you want. You can create it using AI and place it here so that it uses it as an ebook cover for your ebook. So once you are done filling all the details, click generate ebook and it will start, let's say, scrapping the content from these links and generating your ebook for you. And as you can see, it's already 95%. Again, you can use RSS feed if you have one. And we have a success message. Ebook is generated successfully. So now the next step will be seeing our ebook. You can send it, you can download it in EPUB format, you can download it as PDF, and you can edit it. And it has only 2 chapters, and I'm the author, and this is the book title. Now, if you clicked here on the PDF, you will be able to see your ebook as a PDF, and this is the table of content. Now, if you clicked on any of these, it will redirect you to the corresponding, and as you can see, this is a ready-to-use ebook that you can directly publish to KDP. So this is a very fast process which will help you create a lot of ebooks, and you can sell them on Amazon and you can simply upload them. I wish that I have added a cover picture which will be added on the first page, but I haven't because I don't want to waste a lot of time making a cover. So you can download the PDF, you can go to Amazon KDP, which is for publisher, and publish this ebook. And this website has so many features, as we already mentioned, that it can export EPUB and PDF. You can send that book directly to Kindle, which is a seamless way for Kindle users to access their ebook by simply clicking the send button here. Now you need to configure your Kindle email before that, so you have to go to the settings here and configure it. Now, there are a lot of use cases. Some people would prefer to read, let's say, 10 articles on their Kindle device, so they can use this website to convert it into these articles into an ebook PDF and send it to their Kindle device. Other people would want to make profit from ebooks, so they would place links for articles or for text so that this website can turn it into an actual ebook and they can upload it to Amazon KDP, which is the use case that I'm going to use with this website. I'm going to use it to create ebooks and start selling them on Amazon KDP. This is the easiest way to create an ebook every day, to be honest. So that's it for this quick video. You can get a special discount. You can use the free version, but if you are looking for a subscription and a discount, you can check the link in this video description. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.